Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Neeraj. Good morning, everyone. So, today I will be taking a topic which is a very hot topic, that is cryptocurrency. That will cover our economic and business news, international and worldwide, both ways. Okay, so let me present my slides to you so that we can talk on that. So, here it is. Okay, so can you see the slides? Is the slide visible to you? Is the screen visible of
Yes, ma'am.
cryptocurrencies? Yeah, okay. So we'll move ahead. I have written here current national story, unit 1, because if you see the syllabus, in your unit 1, we have one major economic or business news that we need to cover. Okay, but in the international affairs also we have to include one business news. So I'm doing the um, this topic now so that both international and national wave may I'll be able to cover this topic. All right, so that's the reason I had delayed this topic. All right, so what is basically a cryptocurrency? Everybody is aware of the fact cryptocurrencies nowadays. Youngsters, they all know about it. Even many people who had been into the share market in other places, they also know about cryptocurrencies. Okay, but what is this basically? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, right? Digital means they are virtual currencies. You will not be having notes in your hand, a wad of 2000 rupees or a 3000 rupees note like you normally have, and you cannot exchange cryptocurrency, go to the grocers, uh, give them in the cash. So everything is on the ledger. They are not uh, to be used just like the other currencies that we use, but uh, the activity is same. Basically you can buy. Now this has just started recently, so people will take some time to get them to get used to these types of currencies. But there are certain places where they have said yes, we accept cryptocurrencies. Okay, so but not every Tom, Dick, and Harry in the town knows about it. You cannot go to your local Kiryana wala store grocers and tell them ki I want to have this, in exchange of crypto. They will not, unless they are aware how to do that. But it will take lot of time for this idea to seep into the masses. People have, after such a long time, they've now got used to digital currencies, how to Google Pay and net banking and all. So it is not easy for everybody to teach them what it is. But cryptocurrency is going to be the future. It will be very soon. So so the sooner you get into this, to you understand this idea, the better it will be for all of us, right? So cryptocurrency, as I said, it is a digital payment system, and it will not rely on the bank. It does not need banks for its functioning to verify the transaction or anything. So basically, each and every computer who is holding a cryptocurrency, they become the ledgers themselves. They maintain the account. So when you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger, and that public ledger is, each PC has got that. If you have crypto wallet, you are maintaining that ledger. Okay, so cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets or ledgers. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify transactions. Okay, now we'll move on to the next slide. But no, okay, anyways, on this slide only I'll take few more minutes, because the other slide talks about something else that I don't want to right now talk. That was on a bill of cryptocurrency, which was to be presented in the parliament. Now, it's a, as I said, it is a private digital currency. So blockchain cryptocurrency means peer-to-peer network, one computer to another computer. It's based on mining, and the miners, if you have the idea what is mining and how to mine cryptocurrency, then you can become very rich very soon. But you should have that idea how to do it. See, I had been doing it since so long, but I don't know what is mining. I'm just trading on cryptos. Okay. For that mining purpose, I think you will have to go much deeper into the idea what it is. So here ledger is stored in each computer, as I told you. Now, each transactions are stored in each and every PC. If I'm having some trade, so my trade will be shown in your wallet also, but you cannot see. Though you will be trading, but then it is like all those miners who are there, they have their laptop computers. So each and every computer will, if I buy, that trade will be shown in each and every miner's computers. Okay. So if anybody, if one of us wants to be, very play mischief, which we can do it in case of normal banks and all, it will mismatch with the other computers. So one bank, if it is there, one person can do some hera-fairy mischievous work, because the other banks are not connected. You imagine? So after some time, when they get the money, they can, make it all right, make it even. But then nobody can come to know that somebody has taken the money out of it, and then again after some time, 20 days later, that money has been put in the bank to make it balanced. But here you cannot do that. If there is a mischief or some mismatch with other computers, it will be caught at that moment only. Okay. So if I say, one second, I'll just, I have not even plugged in my Wacom tablet and I was trying to write. And one second. Okay. So for example, if I say this is one PC, this is another PC, this is another PC. These are how they are interconnected. They are all interconnected. Okay. So if there is some mismatch here, it will not, others will, okay, कर दो ना. Okay. So this will not match with others. All right. This is how it can be caught very easily. So crypto basically means secret. Okay. Currency, as you know it, what it is. Currency means it's a medium of purchase, like, all right, of any goods or services. Okay. So as we have a public ledger, here, okay, it is maintained in every PC. So it is called peer-to-peer. That is why it is called peer-to-peer. All right. Public ledger, or it is also sometimes called person-to-person, public, person-to-person, public ledger. Now, but why there's a news of ban on cryptocurrency? Because it is not regularized by government. So many things are there which we'll be discussing now. All right. Now here, how is peer-to-peer chain maintained? That is one question. Let me clear all these ink marks so that I can write here. Okay. Now how the peer-to-peer chain is maintained? It is maintained with the help of a, if this is very important, how peer-to-peer chain is maintained. Question. It is maintained with the help of a blockchain technology. Okay. Now, there is full transparency here. The only issues right now is that it has to be regulatory nahi hai. So whenever it comes, then this currency is going to see the boom in the market. Okay. Here, as the data is connected to every PC, anybody wants to be fraudulent. I say fraudulent is better word. Anybody wants to be fraudulent can be tracked very easily. Okay. So if I want to give you 1 Bitcoin, for example, I want to give you 1 Bitcoin. This is the symbol for Bitcoin, I think. ऐसा है. I think ऐसा ही है ना? हाँ ये रहा. Okay. So if I want to give you 1 Bitcoin to my son, I want to give it to my son. Okay. So all the PCs will check. जितने भी PCs in the world who are miners, they will check whether I have a Bitcoin in my wallet. Okay. Whether I really have 1 Bitcoin to give, and then transactions are done with 100% accuracy within seconds, and the transaction is done fully. I cannot take this from anybody else and then give it to them. It will be like I should have it myself, and then, but other currencies, you cannot track this way. I can give to my son even if I don't have it. I can borrow it from somebody, but here borrowing things cannot be done. Na? Here you should have to give, otherwise you cannot give. To give, and then the transactions are done, and then these transactions, they are 100%. Otherwise जो हम लोगों का लेन देन है with other currency, they are not 100%. Sometimes I may not give him 100 rupees, and I will take it from my husband and give it to him. So my transaction is not, what is my role? Then it is basically, it has to be from my husband to my son, right? But here it has, if I want to give it, I should have it in my wallet. Alright. So because you cannot fool other people about the relationships that come in between. You have to be 100% here. Okay. All those who are having this public ledger and they are maintaining this public ledger, they are all called miners. They are all called miners. And the process of maintaining, and the process of maintaining and validating these transactions sorry, my handwriting is slipping, I'm not able to write it. Transactions. So the process of maintaining and validating these transactions is called mining. Alright? This is how it is. Who are miners? All those who are having public ledgers. All those who are having public ledgers and they are maintaining it are called miners. And the process of maintaining and validating the transactions is called mining. This is very important part. Okay. Now this is all, you don't have, nobody is sitting over there. Don't think that this some people are sitting and then यहाँ से 1 Bitcoin उठा के इधर से डेबिट किया उधर क्रेडिट किया. No, nobody is sitting and doing all these things. These are all system generated. These are all system generated, and they are automated process. Automated. Only you have to keep one computer dedicated for that, automated process. In fact, I want to learn how to do that so that we can, we have computers at home, we can put the things automated me, and then you become a miner. And when you become a miner, you get the benefit rather than the trading thing. I think it should be more beneficial for us to become a miner. So there is one mining thing that I do it, and that is for Pi. Have you heard of this Pi network?
Yes, ma'am.
So who all are doing? You are doing. What's your name?
Ma'am, Gur Sahib.
Gur Sahib. So you are mining pies?
मैम एक्चुअली बहुत पहले शुरू किया था बट बाद में इसको मैंने मतलब लाइक डिलीट कर दिया.
हाँ, because it is there in the news since so long, and nobody is coming up with what is going to happen, right? So we people tend to feel कि
Yes.
I don't know whether it is a hoax or whether it is really going to happen, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because they have still not come up with the full plan. I'm still doing it. I have got 1,000 pies right now. I do it every, here you have to visit your Pi network once in 24 hours, and just you have to say mine. Click on the mine button. So the clock automatically starts. But इसमें you can also have references in case somebody takes your reference. So उसका 0.00% also is added to your mining things. Okay, but this is still not. We don't know whether it is going to be fruitful or no. But I said there is no harm. I have to just once in a 24 hours, I have to just go and say mine, right? And sometimes notification also comes to your you can mine, not, you don't even need a PC. Also here you can mine on the phone. You don't need PC, and notification also comes now. You have forgotten to earn your Pi today. So when you see that notification, go click there and start mine. Say mine. So that is how it is. But there is a big question mark. As Gur Sahib said, we don't know, because it's been like, I am doing it since I'll say, I think in February somebody told me. Last February. It is about to be 1 year. So I have earned only 1,000 Pi. But when the market will open, I don't know what is going to be. Whether it is going to be a big failure, that also I don't know. If it is a hoax, then it's like I will say I have not lost anything. I have not lost. But if I gain, even if 1 Pi is equal to $1 or something, we don't know. So I will be like, ठीक है, $1 approximately 70 into 1,000. Right now I have 1,000, so ठीक है, 70,000 rupees is not bad. Free में तो कमाया ना. I've not done anything. I've just done go and mine, right? But that's still very futuristic, and we don't know whether it is going to be there or no. Okay, so nobody sits and does it personally, but it needs special computers and for others miners. Pi network is only on the phone. I'll clear all the ink marks. So Pi mining can be done on your phone also. Okay, erase all ink on the slides. Okay. So basically, I was on the Pi network. Okay, you can do the Pi mining on the phone itself, and the miners, they sometimes get rewards because he's spending time and money. Spending time in the sense not much. If it is automated system, that means he may be keeping the system on all the time. And money, of course, he has invested in computer system. When you know that you are earning so much, then definitely you will say, why should I keep one computer for mining? You will definitely keep 2-3 computers. That means these are your investments. And the process is automated, but you have to monitor. There should not be anything that goes wrong in between, right? So that is money, and that much is time that you need. Okay. But once it clicks, that means you can become a billionaire very soon. Okay. Now, if all the PCs knows and they maintain the data of how many bitcoins are there with, for example, me. So you may think that there is no privacy. No, but ऐसा नहीं है. So to tackle it, we have a cryptography. That is why the word crypto came. Because otherwise everybody will come to know how much Bitcoin Neeraj is having and how many Gur Sahib, how many coin he is having. So ऐसा नहीं है. So that is now crypto. That is from where this word crypto had come. Okay, so to maintain the privacy, there is a cryptography. I'll write it here. Cryptography. That means though there is Neeraj in the computer, though there is Gur Sahib there, though there are other students also, but this internal data is secret. Nobody knows whether Gur Sahib has bought Bitcoin or Neeraj has bought. Their internal data is always kept secret. Okay, and that is connected to your banks and from wherever you are taking money and then buying the cryptocurrency and then trading here. Okay, but here everything is not shown publicly. Okay, it means everything is coded. Got it? That means everything is coded. That means, for example, if I say my name Mona Bhatia, okay, so that means Mona Bhatia is not there in the system, but there is a code for Mona Bhatia. Okay, you understand this? So that means there is a code for Mona Bhatia. If I have a bank account, this is my bank account. So there, and this is my full details. So there is a code for that. You understand this process? So this is the reason why cryptocurrency is gaining popularity, since its money is, its control should, this whole money is controlled by me only. I know how many bitcoins I have, how many ethereums I have, how many this, what do you say, Doge or Shiba Inu or Cardano, whatever. Okay, so why is my money controlled by bank? There was a question. So now my money is controlled by me. I don't have to go anywhere. Okay, I am the boss, right? I am the boss. So this is how the cryptocurrency and authorities and other agencies, they have made some changes in the outlook, how to win hearts of the people. So the value of rupee and dollar keeps on changing, you know it. But government prints currency according to their need. So there was a need of decentralization. Now the term will come decentralization. Okay. What is decentralization of currency? These are important terms. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ आपको. Let me change the color of the ink and I'll write it here so that. अरे, what is going wrong with this pen? Okay. Miners, mining, cryptography. Okay, then what other words I used? This is decentralization of currency. So these are important terms. MCQ में इसके base पे I can make a question paper on this. Okay, let me see if there is any other word. Miner, blockchain, right? There's one more term which is called blockchain. So these are important terms. Please थोड़ा ध्यान देना इस पे. All right. So when currency belongs to everybody, all it controls its control is with everybody. Anybody can do anything here on this. Let me change this. Now why the crypto market face fluctuation? आप ये बोलोगे ना कि जब इसमें हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि यू नो द मनी इज कंट्रोल्ड by me, not by bank. So but there is a fluctuation in the crypto market. You must have seen that is the fluctuation. Because of that fluctuation only we are able to trade and sell them and buy them, and we make money with because of these fluctuation only. All right, so why there is fluctuation? If they are not controlled by bank or agencies or any authorities, so the answer is, why there is fluctuation? The answer is, it is already decided in any cryptocurrencies that how many coins, number of coins is always decided. Okay, how many coins will it produce is fixed. Number of coin that is produced in particular cryptocurrency is fixed. Okay, so or limited, you can say. When it is fixed or limited, so then its cost depends on the demand, right? The demand increases, the cost increases. The demand is low, the cost price will be low. Okay, so as we know, bitcoin ka supply is around 21 million, and its price is controlled by the demand and supply. So here we have to understand demand and supply is so important concept. Okay, we know इसका demand supply is limited, but demand कितना है? बहुत ज़्यादा है demand. Demand कौन create करता है? These people only, they are creating demand. अभी Elon Musk को देख लो, he always tweets about some coin. Either he would tweet on Dogecoin, which is actually a meme coin, or he would tweet on Shiba Inu. Okay, and then the prices, they go up because he has created a demand in the public. He pushed them. He says, okay, I'm going to invest here. He does not even say directly. He on his Twitter handle, he just put Shiba Inu ka photo, and everybody knows now that he's hinting towards this. If he puts that on his rocket, he puts that which dog, I think that is Dogecoin, is also a face of a dog, na? So he on his rocket, he just says ki that on rocket. So he's tried indirectly hinting that this is going to shoot like a rocket. So people start buying because of his Twitter. Whatever he tweets, and then it goes boom like that. Okay, so what is the time? I think if at all I have time, I will show you one video also on this thing. Now one second, let me clear all these. Now we know that 2010 में जब ये बिटकॉइन आया था, you remember, you may not be knowing, it was only 20 rupees at that time. Then later on, it also saw that period in last May, I think, 2021 May, when I was checking, it had even crossed 52 lakhs. Then it came down in August and September. Then it came down till 25 lakhs. I really don't know because I have not seen what is the current price of Bitcoin. Just I'll give you the latest update. Let me just open my wallet and I'll tell you what is the current price of Bitcoin. It is 38 lakh 10,000. Okay, you can imagine how it is. 38 lakh 10,000. So you can see how it has traveled the journey. In between, it had even reached 52 lakhs. So it is all on demand and supply. All right. The price of cryptocurrency actually depends on, I'll write it for you because this is very important. The price of cryptocurrency depends on the news. इसमें it's very funny, but then it also depends on the tweets of famous people. Then also plans of the company, what they are basically planning. वो तो लोग कोई सुनता भी नहीं है, पता है. Basically they always look at the news, tweets, but what the cryptocurrency is basic, their plan of action, what they are making, what is their future program. This has to be understood basically. This is most important thing, and but nobody looks at. Like for example, everybody started investing in Dogecoin. Nobody understood what it is doing basically. You have to go to the net, see what is the basic plan, what is in they are doing in the market, so that they are, they have good future for themselves. Okay, then also it depends upon the plans of investors. So these are the 4 things: 1, 2, 3 and 4. The price of cryptocurrency depends on all these 4 people. ठीक है, न्यूज़, ट्वीट्स, प्लान्स ऑफ कंपनी, प्लान्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स. सो एलोन मस्क का एक ट्वीट होता है, लाइक टेस्ला विल नाउ, उसका लेटेस्ट ट्वीट आया था, टेस्ला विल नाउ एक्सेप्ट बिटकॉइन एज पेमेंट फॉर कैश and the Bitcoin goes up because people believe in him. No, people knows ki yes, if he is favoring Bitcoins, if he is favoring cryptocurrency, that it is going to, and no doubt cryptocurrency is the future sooner or later. Right now there is a big question mark because even Indian government has not come up with the correct bill. Abhi recently 5 hours back there was, Congress had asked in the parliament what is the stand of government as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. So it has to come up so that we also get a clear picture whether it is going to ban it or it is going to regulate it or it is going to, what it is going to do with this. So currency bill into 2021 in parliament, it was to be presented in winter session of the parliament to regulate the virtual currencies. Okay, India seeks to block most of the cryptocurrency in the new bill. So which will be those cryptocurrency which it is going to block? That list I will give you. I had taken it from the net only. So it is going to block most cryptocurrency in the new bill, and it is among the 26 bill listed for the regulation. 26th bill. जितने भी बिल पार्लियामेंट में होते हैं ना, सो क्रिप्टो करेंसी का बिल इज नंबर 26. ओके, फॉर रेगुलेशन and the government plans to allow only certain cryptocurrencies in the country, not all. So all private cryptocurrency will be regulated, but they will not be banned. So let's see which are the private coins. What are private coins? That means the coins that host several built-in privacy feature and even users' identity and activities are concealed. They are called private coins, and it is very difficult to find private cryptocurrency as they mask this information. So that is, wallet address will be hidden and the details of the transactions are also hidden. On the other hand, the transactions happening over public crypto can be traced or linked to the wallet address, but in the private it cannot be linked. So though everything is not can be seen ऊपर से, but government needs to regulate कि even if it is something is transacted from here to there, so government needs to know na. I don't want to tell my neighbor, I don't want to tell my husband, I don't want to tell anybody how much I'm trading, but government needs this information. Okay, so that is why जो private से private है, जिसमें all the informations are hidden, government is going to ban all those private cryptocurrencies. So now I'm going to read that list for you. I have written it already there. So this piece also I have taken it from that is why I have just copy and pasted here. Okay, this piece of news is speaking on India TV on private cryptocurrency. Hitesh Malviya, founder of the blockchain of cryptocurrency, he said banning such privately owned cryptocurrency is a good move. The different interpretation is about definition of private cryptocurrencies by media, and influencers have orchestrated this environment of fear among retail crypto investors. In my understanding, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies are not controlled or managed by any private entities. Transactions are on the public ledger and they are recognized as public cryptocurrencies in every major economy, said Hitesh Malviya, founder It's Blockchain. ठीक है? Now, India's first oldest blockchain cryptocurrency publication. But on the other hand, there are a good number of cryptocurrencies being promoted by MLM companies, multi-level marketing companies, private companies in the countries right now. These kinds of cryptocurrencies have been subjected to a couple of huge scams in the past. Now, so if the government is looking to ban such private owned cryptocurrencies, then it is a very good move, Malviya said. Meanwhile, Malviya also appealed crypto investors not to panic and wait for the regulation bill to be passed. So even if you have started, getting that panicky fits, okay, oh God, what is going to happen because we have invested so much. So, even I got panicked last in November, and November mein the market was up. Actually, October may I sold most of my cryptocurrency, and I still have around 21,000 rupees ka still in my wallet, and I'm waiting. I said doesn't matter because 21,000 I can gamble. I don't feel like taking it back. I said okay, let me see. If it booms, it will be good for me. If I lose, I will lose 21,000, and I can risk 21,000. So as a student, if you have the some money kept here, just wait, don't panic. But you should, because you are student, you must have taken money, you are answerable to your parents and all. So you should, out of your earning, if you are earning 100 rupees, I'm just giving you an example, then risk कितना हो सकता है जो कि आप रह सकते हो जिसके बिना, मतलब after controlling all your expenses, after doing everything, जो आपका पैसा बचता है बचत के बाद also, you should be able to identify कि कितना आप रिस्क ले सकते हो जिसके अगर आपका चला भी जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100 रुपीज़ में आपको लग रहा है कि आप 10 रुपीज़ का रिस्क ले सकते हो, तो यू शुड डू दैट, क्योंकि कल को ये 10 रुपीज़ अगर 1000 बन जाता है तो आपका फ़ायदा ना. हाँ, अगर आपने नुकसान हुआ, ज़ीरो हो गया, तो आपको लगेगा कोई बात नहीं, 10 रुपये ही तो था, इट्स ओके. सो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ line where you should know ki what is your risk, how much risk you are ready to take, and how much risk if your parents will not tell you anything ki it's okay, 10 rupees का नुकसान हुआ कोई बात नहीं, you learned. And actually it is very important to learn. आप रिस्क लोगे, नुकसान करोगे, छोटे पैसे का करोगे तो कल को बड़े पैसे से भी खेल पाओगे ना. दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. थोड़ा रिस्क लेना सीखना चाहिए लाइफ में, बट ये नहीं कि आपके पास 1,100 है and you put everything there and then you have to ask for more money from others. Okay, ठीक है, that you will have to understand. Okay, now this is a list. These are the private. If anybody is having any of these crypto now, please don't sell it off right away, because they are list of private cryptocurrencies which, if at all regulated, they will not be there in the, they have already been banned, almost on the अगर नहीं हुए तो they will be. These are Delta, Ucoin, BTCX, Super Zero, Protocol, Firo, Bytecoin, Horizon, Beam, Grin, Verge. मैंने तो इनके नाम भी नहीं सुने. Dash, Monero. So these are all. So thankfully I have never invested in these types of names. So I'm rest assured that my money is safe. but still I have few cryptos which I'm just holding on. All right, let's go to the next. Here there is a video that I want to show you. Just bear with me and I will, one second. I'll just copy this and then I have to show you this video on the YouTube. One second, and this is the latest news, yesterday's news only, so I think better first I will tell you this one and then I'll show you the other news. Okay, I'm going to present this news to you now. A tab and then okay.
Loud raging debate over cryptocurrency
Acha, listen.
in Parliament.
Are you all able to see the
Would
screen?
request the honourable member to kindly wait to see what is
Okay.
going in the bill.
थैंक यू माननीय नीरज शेखर जी सर जैसा कि सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि बिल आने वाला है लेकिन बिल आने से पहले क्योंकि एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी है बिटकॉइन जो शुरू हुई थी $1 से आज $60,000 उसका मूल्य है तो इससे मैं मानता हूं कि एक अनुमान जो लगाया गया भारत देश में कि करोड़ों लोगों ने इसमें निवेश किया है इसमें पैसा अपना लगाया है और लाखों करोड़ रुपए उसमें चले गए हैं क्या भारत सरकार उन लोगों को बताने की कोशिश कर रही है कि ये अभी सुरक्षित नहीं है ऐसा पैसा लगा रहे हैं जो आगे उनका नुकसान हो सकता है हमारा वित्त मंत्रालय इसमें कुछ जब तक बिल नहीं आता तब तक समझाने की कोशिश कर सकता है ऐसे पैसों में निवेश ना करें तो इसमें कुछ कर रहे हैं वित्त मंत्रालय
Sir, honourable member Neeraj Shekhar ji and also for that matter the member from Orissa, Amar Patnaik ji had both raised this question. Yes, the bill will come all right. But till then, definitely attempts, and I'm sure also economist Naren Jadhav ji also mentioned that. Through the SEBI, through the RBI, and through once, I think, Government of India, there have been statements issued and also fairly awareness building attempt has been made to say that this is a risky area and people who are going in there be conscious as to what you're doing and also said that this is an area yet not in complete regulatory framework. So also I'm sure the House remembers that when nearly 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, when Reserve Bank of India attempted to regulate this, it was through the Supreme Court. The matter was highlighted that in the absence of a clear-cut policy, regulation by RBI also may not be proper. So that drove the attempt to have a group, and then the interministerial group worked into it, and then the policy came up, and policy was not issued out, but we are now bringing a bill and so on. So time has lapsed. In the meanwhile, it has also proliferated. At the same time, awareness issue or alert, if I can use the word, has been issued so that people are fairly cautioned that this may be a high-risk area to go in. That much has been done. Maybe more can be done on that area. I concede for Honourable Member Neeraj Shekhar's concern.
Okay, so that was it. Okay, this was the latest. Yesterday, this news had come in the Parliament, and that is why I wanted to show you. And the other piece that I want to show you here is, just give me 1 second.